So what I like to do after most track days is kind of get the car up in the air, take some wheels off, they're off on the other side, and check out a few things. So I like to check tire wear, make sure nothing's getting too worn on the inside, the outside, no nails or anything else. They look pretty good. I also like to give them a good shake on the top and bottom. Kind of check the ball joints and the wheel bearings. Also, like, kind of give the vehicle a nice, good walk around. You might find broken parts that you didn't know that you had. Check out the brake pads. They seem to be pretty good still in the rear. Inspect your brake lines and kind of everything else that you can see in here. Front brakes seem to look pretty good. I also like to take a pry bar like this one, and I will kind of check all the joints. So I'll give them a little bit of pressure and see if there's any excess wiggle room on any of them. And if there is, that means that the bushings themselves might be getting a little bit worn. These ones are still the factory ones, and they may need to be replaced at some point in time. You can see there's a little bit of play in them. I also like to check the shocks to see if they are leaking. These ones seem to be in pretty good working order still. I like to go through and check all the fluids as well. I will be doing an oil change in this car, but pull the dipstick, take a look at it, your power steering, check your radiator fluid, make sure that it's full, etc., etc. I also like to go through and check all the nuts and bolts on the brake calipers, on the control arms, on the shocks themselves. Make sure everything has stayed tight. When you're going over rumble strips and stuff, you always run the risk of something coming a little loose. Typically before I'm done, I'll end up rotating my tires. You know, these ones are on the rear. I will probably crisscross them to the front or put on another set, depending upon if I'm going to be doing a lot of street driving or if I'm going to be doing a track day again soon. Thanks for checking it out.